Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view your recent Amazon orders. Whether you're tracking a delivery or checking past purchases, this guide will help you access your order history quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. This will give you access to all your personal order information and account details. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management options. From this menu, click on Orders. This takes you directly to your order history page where you can view all your recent and past purchases. Now, I don't currently have any orders in my account, but I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you have orders to review. Once you're on the orders page, you'll notice a date filter option. This is particularly useful if you're trying to locate an order from a specific time period. Select the date range that fits what you're looking for, whether that's the past 30 days, this year, or even previous years. This narrows down your search and makes finding specific orders much easier. If you're searching for a particular item or order, there's a search field available. Simply type in the product name or any relevant order information you remember. This instantly filters your results and brings up exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through your entire order history. Finally, when you find the order you need more information about, click on Order Details. This opens up the full information page for that specific order, where you can see everything from the items purchased to shipping details, tracking information, and payment methods used. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view and navigate your recent Amazon orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.